Hello and welcome to the Huron Heights Science Department. In this video, we'll go over the different course pathways you can take in science at our school and what fun and exciting topics you'll learn in each.
Be sure to stick around until the end of this video as we will tell you what to bring to your first science class in high school. Let's start with grade 9 and grade 10 science. You can take either applied or academic.
Both have very similar strands or topics, but applied will focus more on the hands-on learning aspects and everyday science, while academic will focus more on theory.
That's not to say academics won't do labs, as we have plenty of engaging experiments for all students in every strand.
Grade 9 science looks at ecology, chemistry, electricity, and astronomy.
In ecology, students will learn about the ecological balance within ecosystems and how people can regulate their impact on the sustainability of these ecosystems to preserve them for future generations.
Chemistry will analyze the chemical and physical properties of elements and compounds and how they can have both positive and negative impacts on our society and environment.
Our physics unit looks at the production and consumption of electricity from both renewable and non-renewable resources, as well as the properties of both static and current electricity.
The Earth and Space unit in grade 9 is all about space. This unit will inspire the imagination and spark any student's curiosity by exploring the different celestial objects in our universe and the theories we have to explain their origins.
The topics in grade 10 science become biology, chemistry, optics, and climate change. In biology, the hierarchy of life systems from cells to tissues to organs will be studied in both plants and animals, along with the medical technologies that have been developed.
Chemistry builds off of what we learned in grade 9 by looking more closely at elements and how compounds are formed and react with each other in predictable ways.
Physics moves on to optics as we analyze how light can be manipulated with mirrors and lenses and the range of optical devices that are developed.
The grade 10 Earth and Space unit is all about Earth and how global climate change is being influenced by both natural and human factors.
We look at how this affects every living thing in our small planet and the responsibility we have to identify actions that can be taken to reduce this impact.
Going into grade 11 and 12, students now have the choice as to which science courses they wish to pursue further, as well as whether they would prefer a college or university pathway.
Some of the topics that will be covered are genetics, evolution, the anatomy of plants and animals, microbiology, metabolic processes, biochemistry, population dynamics, and more.
Curious chemists can take grade 11 university chemistry, 12 university chemistry, or 12 college chemistry. These advanced chemistry courses continue to build on previous grade 9 and 10 knowledge and cover topics such as chemical bonding, quantities in chemical reactions, atmospheric chemistry, rates of reaction, equilibrium, electrochemistry, and more.
Future physicists can take grade 11 university physics, 12 university physics, or 12 college physics. Topics include motion, forces, energy, waves, electricity, and magnetism, as well as momentum, relativity, quantum mechanics, and more. Physics entails the most amount of mathematics out of all the sciences and is a favorite among those who enjoy problem solving.
We also offer courses to those wishing to learn more or choose to take a third science to fill their graduation requirements beyond grades 9 and 10. We have grade 11 workplace environmental science and grade 12 university earth and space science.
The Earth and Space Science course will look at the origins of our universe, to the formation of our very own solar system, as well as the geological history of our planet, the materials and rocks it's made of, and the natural geological processes that occur here on Earth.
The environmental science course analyzes sustainable agriculture and forestry, as well as managing and reducing waste and the conversion of energy in our society.
I'm sure all this seemed both exciting and perhaps a little daunting. We're here to help you along the way. To get started off right, here are some things you're going to want to bring to your first grade 9 science class.
Something to write with. A pencil and eraser works well.
A binder to keep and organize your notes and work.
calculator, as math will appear more and more the further you progress in science.
A ruler, as we like to draw and label accurate diagrams. Finally, never forget to bring yourself to class every day, as science is a verb. We experiment, we explore, and engage in our understanding of the world we live in.
If you made it this far, be sure to leave a like and to come and see us for Grade 8 night to ask any questions this video didn't answer.
See everyone next year.